Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuillBot with Zapier for AI rewriting workflows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect QuillBot with Zapier for AI rewriting workflows, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one at zapier.com. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner. In the Trigger App search bar, type and select QuillBot. Choose the specific trigger that fits your needs, such as new rewritten text. Follow the prompts to connect your QuillBot account by entering your API key. You can find your API key in the QuillBot settings panel. After entering the API key, test the connection to ensure it's successful. Next, set up the trigger by specifying the details for the text you want rewritten. Now, move on to the Action App section. Search for and select the app you want to connect with QuillBot, such as Google Docs or Trello. Choose the action event that corresponds with your workflow, like Create Document or Add Card. Connect your selected app by following the authentication steps. Once connected, specify how you want the rewritten text from QuillBot to be formatted in the Action app. Map the fields as necessary to ensure the rewritten content goes to the correct spot. After configuring your action steps, test this step to confirm it works correctly. If everything is set up properly, you will see a success message. You can now give your Zap a name for easy identification. Finally, turn on your Zap to activate the workflow. With this, you have successfully connected QuillBot with Zapier for streamlined AI rewriting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.